Clicking on a student's name provides more information about them. On the left, there's a box displaying their login details and the classes they're assigned to. You can add or edit their details here. Notice that the course pathway is on. When you create students, the course pathway will be turned on by default. By clicking on the Messages tab, you can communicate with your students from within the Spellzone environment. This is not an email. These messages are only accessible to staff and students when they are logged into Spellzone. Below this, there is a section for notes about the student. This is useful for when multiple staff are managing the same student, allowing notes on progress-related information. These notes are not visible to the student. The activity function allows you to compare a student's activity over 2 different timeframes, for example, this week versus last week or this term versus last term. It is an easy way to see if there are notable differences in the student's engagement. This entire page can be printed as an A4 sheet, offering a quick report overview. It serves as a handy reference, perhaps for parent-teacher or student review meetings.